Hi guys, it's Saturday, the day before Father's Day. I'm here in Walmart. I came to pick up just a few items. It is pouring out there. The skies were black on my way in, and the forecast did say it was about to rain. So I'm just here browsing. I'm picking up a couple of stuff. Thanks for joining Muda Production, guys. Stick and stay. Thanks for coming along with me. I'm trying to find. Let's check this aisle here. There's a lot of Dove items around. It's funny, these things are so super duper expensive, but I like Walmart. So I never tried any one of these things. I've used Dove soap before, but I've never tried any of their body wash. And the prices are not bad. They're really expensive, so they better be good. But the prices are not bad compared to just the round the way shopping. You know, Walmart you get things at a cheaper price or fair price. So I don't know if I should give one a try. I like to use Suave. I love to use Suaves. I've been using Suave for a while and I have no problem with it. It don't dry my skin out or anything like that. And Dove claim to do the same. Dove is very good. Almost $7. Eucerin is really good, but I don't have the need for it. Eczema and stuff like that, people usually buy that for that purpose. I can't seem to find Suave. Soft soap. I see Suave around the corner. Let me park the car out the way. The cart rather out the way and see what's down here. Uh, bunch of soft soap. What's this here? Vanilla. I don't like nothing vanilla. But what is it? Body wash. Oh, they totally changed the bottle. And see, they got a big old jumbo body wash here. Bottle of it. Wild cherry and blossom. That's new. For almost $5. Not bad because this is $3. And these bottles are way smaller. And this is what? Mango and citrus. I don't know about that. I've tried milk and honey before. Maybe I'm gonna go with this. This is 5 beans. The wild cherry blossom. It's a big bottle, so it'll last a while. What else is down here? That's Caress. That's a total different brand. Nothing vanilla. I can't believe them change the bottle. I'm tired of sweet pea and violet. I use that so many times. I'm gonna go with this. They also have the juicy green apple, which I've tried before. Not bad. Ocean breeze. Mmm, deeply clean. I don't know. I have no idea what it even smells like. Can't decide. No, I'm getting undecisive about this thing. I think I'm using that already. I'm gonna go with this. What the hey? Getting mad crowded down at Ario. All right, let me try this because they have the small bottle. I don't want to open the big bottle. Smell good, you know. Smell nice. Wow. All right, like I said, I'm on a budget, so I gotta see how it goes. It's between this for 447 and the smaller bottle which fell down in the cart. It fell down in the cart. Or this one, 297, 447. We'll see. We'll see, guys. And it's really hot in here. Is it just me? Now I have to check my list, and my list is on the phone that I'm using to record all this. So stay tuned, guys. Like up the video And keep on subscribing, guys. As soon as watching the video, as soon as subscribing. We appreciate that. Nice job, guys. Stay tuned. So I'm in the frozen section. Um, I like to treat myself now and then to a pizza. I usually go with Tony's, but listen, guys, Walmart brand pizza, try it. It's so delicious, surprisingly delicious for a store brand pizza. So I'm looking for it. Great Value is their brand. Their pizza is so good. Not bad either. $3.98, $4, right? And it's not the big size, but I don't want the big size. I think I'm gonna take it home for lunch. This is a pepperoni, and they have the supreme with olives and all that. I love that. And that's just the cheese. And they have the three meat. I don't want a three meat. Four meat, sausage and pepperoni. I'm not really a sausage pizza person. I'm gonna go with the supreme. I like the supreme. And this is the rising crust. There's another thing about me, guys. When me a shop, I don't take from the front. I take what's behind it. Because sometimes them put the bad one them at the front so they could get rid of them quickly. And most people do just that. Them just grab what's in the front and go. Not this gal. Alright, so sold on this. Some stuffed crust pizza. A lot of cheese. I have to watch the cholesterol. So when I treat myself, I have to be careful. That does look delicious, stuffed crust. And the DiGiorno, the stuffed crust is how much? 6 beans, $5.98. DiGiorno is almost $8. 2.5 feet cheese. Too much cheese to me. Alright, so I really came in the aisle to get patty. Jamaican beef patty. Look at this crispy pan. This crispy pan look good too, you know. Lord Jesus. I have to be careful. The crispy pan looks good. There's no price on there. But I really came down here to get some patty, Jamaican beef patty. Because around my way at the dollar store they go fast. What is that? Beef Philly cheese kit. Here they are, golden crust. Even though I prefer this one. Caribbean Food Delight. I don't want the cheesy one. Beef cheese, beef cheese. That's all them have, beef and cheese. So man. So let me go grab this one. That's standing by itself. That's standing by itself. They have the mild. I'm a real Jamaican. I want all the spice. This holds only two in it for $3.44. That was the last one. That's the mild. Pure mild. Nobody don't want a mild. Hey, I don't want the cheesy one. I'm sorry. Don't want the cheesy one, so I'm gonna go with definitely the original spicy. And then they have the golden crust for $1.24. Maybe I'll take up a couple of these because around my way, the dollar store so it sells out quick. Spicy beef, I'll take a couple of these. That's the mild. I don't see the jerk. The jerk is not bad either. So I'm gonna take like 3 of these and go with this along with what I purchased or what I picked up rather. So yeah, that's what I really came down here for. And then I'm heading to the meat section. I want to get a piece of pork for for dinner tomorrow. Pork price is so expensive enough. Pork price gone up. One little piece of pork is like $16, like a pork roast. $16. I'm trying to see if I need anything before I get out of this aisle. I'm not a compulsive shopper, but sometimes you have to look because once in Walmart, you get bargain. You get a bargain on everything. So even if it's not on my list, I like to take a second look around to see if there's anything else that I would like to throw in my cart. Even though I'm on a budget. Well, I say Walmart are the best place for that. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna go. I should have went here first to get veggies, but I started from the other section. So I'm gonna shortcut. I am going to shortcut breakfast frozen items. I wanted to see what's over here with the fruits and the veggies. Food prices these days not normal. Watermelon, mixed stuff. Mixed stuff. I don't think I'm getting any apples. 38 cents for lime. These I'm definitely getting some of. Let me get some bags. You can't beat that price. Look at this. Nice tomatoes. All that good stuff. More than one bag. 33 cents for corns. Not bad. Gonna be shopping all day, huh? Not a bad price. All right, I'll take some of these. Shop some corns. Oh yeah. Wow, wow, wow. That's cool. Huh? The food is there. Yeah. Pretty good. I'm taking some. Price is good. Good price. Mhm. One down. Changing the garbage bin because everybody's shucking corn. See, he's giving me some nice corns to shuck. Look, nice and big. Look at that. Nice. Let me shuck some corns. Yeah. At 33 cents each. Not bad. You got big, strong hands for it. Look at that. Easy peasy. One more. Bruno. I'll put a review for you being helpful to me, Bruno. I appreciate that. Yes, that's how many I got so far. Four. Four is good. Four is good. Thank you, Bruno. Have a good day. Thank you. And then tomato. Let me grab my cart. Fresh fruits and vegetables. I love it. You could never lose with Walmart for fresh fruits and veggies. Wow, look at that. 33 cents each. Look how big these bad boys are. Look at this. Big corns. And I bet them nice and sweet. Has avocado, 78 cents each. But they ripe so fast. I don't know if I should get some. 78 cents each. Like me say, you have to eat them fast. I'm just gonna go with one for now because I could get avocados around my way. Maybe not as cheap. The most I'll probably get is like 3 for $5 or something like that. But that's still not bad. So for now, I'm gonna go with just one. Just one for now. I don't think I need anything else from over the green section. So I'm gonna check out the meats. Sandwiches, pickles. That's what I need to get. Pickles. But there's a particular pickle that I like, which is Vlasic pickles. All right, let me put that on my list so I don't forget. It's lunchtime, people. They have hot plate, 3-piece tender, chicken tender, just fried chicken and stuff like that. I think I'll just buy just for dinner. I have my pizza ready. Let me see if we can squeeze in here and see what they have um, in here. Pardon me. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get something. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. So I'll have for dinner today, Saturday. No cooking going on. These are not so big. Chimichangas, bean burritos, $1.27 each. Red hot. This is bean and cheese. We can't eat them things. Them me living at the bathroom. Red hot beef and bean. Let me try one of these while I wait online for. Do I have to take a number or something? I don't know. Do I need a number or anything? No? Okay. All right, I'm waiting to place my order. My cart took away. I don't really take to Subway. Subway is something seem like it fake to me. Them meat look also processed and not real. I'm not feeling it at all. Yeah, so now let me move up and see what they have now. Fried chicken gone. I don't want chicken tender, so I'll see. You have more fried chicken parts? That's what I really wanted. Other than that, they have wings, General Tso's. No, I really wanted fried chicken. They are so out of chicken, fried chicken. So I don't know, lemon pepper, lemon pepper. I really wanted fried chicken. I could never catch fried chicken. And all the roast chickens are lemon pepper. I don't know how that tastes. No one up with lemon in it like that, really. Oh, no. Never mind. That's what I really wanted. Fried chicken. I really wanted a hot meal. They have General Tso's chicken, but no fried chicken. Um, I had fried chicken in mind. I wanted some KFC, but KFC is nowhere near here. So I'm definitely getting hot dogs. So the hot dogs are further down, and the rolls are here. So I'm gonna get the hot dog rolls first. These are pretzel sliders. You see, they have pretzels. My nail broke, guys. Look at that. Yeah, they have pretzel buns. Looks so good, don't it? Dinner rolls. I forgot the hot dog rolls I got the last time, but they were kind of like, I forgot what they call them. Jeez, I'm not even seeing it. These are all bread dinner rolls and stuff. Here it is, New England style. See, the bun's kind of like different and it's split down the middle. It's so good. And you kind of lightly toast it before you put in your hot dog. So delicious. I don't know how much that is though. Oh, 2.94. And then you have Wonder Bread. I haven't had Wonder Bread in a while. How many are here? 8. So is that. We used to the old fashioned hot dog rolls though, as opposed to this with the split. Wonder Bread. Let me see if I find the off brand. The Walmart brand. Those are 4. What else is here? Let me move this down and see. What else is here? Brioche is so delicious too. Brioche style. CK. What is this? This is Nature's Own. How much is Nature's Own? CK. Trying to find what Nature's Own. But where's the price? Martin's. Hamburger buns. Frankfurter rolls. CK. Is that what it is? No. I don't know how much this one is. But I like the brioche style bun as well. I don't see the price on this. That's 334. This says 334, but it's CK also, so it must be this. I'm gonna go with that. What kind of hot dog is this? Check this out. Why they pink? Whoa. Why they look like this? No, some picnic pack. Why are they pink? Super pink. These are hot dogs. Hot dogs are expensive. I like Nathan's is a little too salty for me. $5. have been buying Ballpark, but there's this other brand that I like that I'm having a brain fart right now with the name of the brand I like. If I see it, I see it. But right now, I'm scanning and I'm not finding it. So Ballpark is 297 francs and one size, which they're kind of longer. Uh, I can't remember which one I usually get. 2468. I think I'm gonna go with the bun size. I'm gonna go with the bun size. These are super pink though. What's in these bad boys? Why are they so pink? They're really red. Look at the price. They are super pink. Like they put some kind of dye in them or something. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to the frozen section. The freezer section, the meat section. Shop meat. I'm trying to get some pork. Something for dinner tomorrow. Alright, so hold up, what's down here? Same ballpark. Oh, beef frank. Yeah. Let's see if it's the all beef I got. Because mine has a blue label. Yep, let's switch it out. This is all beef. Beef. So the one I got probably is the one I got is probably the mixed one, mixed with pork, chicken, like all that stuff. Let's see, yeah, made with chicken and pork. That's why it's cheaper. I like the all beef. So I'm gonna leave that on the side. I might get both. I'm not sure. Rice and beans, canned fruit. Let me get the meat taken care of. And then I wanna check out some tuna fish. Tuna fish. Bumblebee. I only like bumblebee tuna fish. Look at this pot roast pack. Slow cook. Filet mignon, bitches. Whoa. 1505. Flanking rib. Thin rib. That looks good too. Angus. Angus steak. Steak tips. That's 30 beans. Meat is expensive, you know. The butcher making a killing. 56 and change for this bad boy. Whoa. Boneless brisket. This is not bad for this size. And it's a brisket, boneless. And they have one back here for $9. I like mine with bones though. When you cook, when you have meat with bone, it's more savory. It keeps it tender, whether roasting or cooking it down, stewing it down. Either way. has to have bone in it for me. So yeah, let's see what's going on with the pork. These are just ribs. I don't want ribs. They got pork chops, baby back ribs. Ooh, wait, butt roast, $16. It's a nice size roast though. Butt roast. 16, 16, 15. Here, 15 and 16, let's see. I'm just feeling for a pork roast or maybe some cut up pork for jerking. 50 cents per pound assorted pork chops for $10. That's nice too. That's not bad. It's not what I had in mind though. But like I might have to go with some pork chop. These are ribeye roast. They're kind of small. Really not what I had in mind. Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe I might have to go with some uh, thick pork chops. It's still good to eat a pork chops are pork chops. You can jerk it same way with a roast or whatever. Pork chop or same pork. I might do that in a thin cut. You have thin cut, you have thick cut. The thick cut will probably be good for that purpose. 1043. When did meat get so expensive? My goodness. Wow, $11 country style ribs. Yo. Wow, I'm still deciding. So it's between this, say 50 cents per pound, or this little pack of pork steak for 7.76. I don't know. 7, almost 8, 9, 10. This would be $2 more. Um, Price per pound 287. So this is basically 3 pounds and a little bit. Not really a little bit, but say 3.5 pounds ballpark. And then let's go over here and sort this thing out. Meat prices are like murderous these days, man. Sheesh. Neck bones. Pork neck bones. That's $8 and change. 8.42. I don't know. I came for pork. Neck bone 703. This is good for stewing down too. People I don't know. That's 9. That's 8. I'm undecisive. Let me go over here. I'll figure out what me I do. Boy, oh boy. Things have got super duper expensive. Alright. It's done to this. I kind of like this for like jerking because I really wanted to jerk some pork. That's 7 and this is 8. These two could go together and jerk, or stew down. I didn't really want to go for pork chops, but I'm going to take all 3 of them some space. That's maybe. Me not take that. That's maybe. Definitely putting this back. Or me. I'm gonna put this back. Not bother with that at all. Ooh-wee. I need some ramen noodles. 36 cents each. Chicken, beef. Take up two beef. Oh, you know what I can't find? Shrimp. The chow mein noodles. I can't find the shrimp. All they have is teriyaki beef, and the shrimp is so delicious. These are good too. These are very good. These stir fries. The stir fries are really good. Very good. The prices of these one are $12.42. Wow, I could get them way cheaper than that, you know. I don't see the shrimp. Usually get shrimp. I don't like maruchan. Not seeing them at all. Tell you. They kept advertising this thing. Better than bouillon. And I bought one. See how expensive it is? I tried it in my rice. And mainly my rice is supposed to serve as a chicken broth, but it's not all that. I don't really taste it like that. It tastes good in the ramen noodles though. I've tried it in the ramen noodles, delicious. Just a little bit. It's supposed to serve as a chicken broth. It's really like that, you know? But it's not bad. But I wouldn't be buying one more or any more, I should say. Tuna fish, canned tuna fish. So let's go hunt that down. Canned tuna fish. Alright, canned tuna fish. Flour, sugar. I think I passed it. I'm gonna park my cart and go look. That way I don't be running back and forth. Vinegar, hot dogs, frozen meals. Mm. You took me past the tuna fish, you know? Wow, cookies, crackers. Let me check down here. I'm gonna check down here. Because I know I looked thoroughly and I didn't see it. They got cookies and crackers and all these stuff down here. Coffee. Let me start from here. Chips and snacks, cereal, coffee. I wonder if should I get some more coffee. It's cheaper in here. My Bustelo, $4. $4. It's about the same price I get it when it's on sale, you know. Pretty much. The can is five something. Oh man, I really need a tuna fish though. Above everything else, I need a tuna. Maybe I have to ask somebody what aisle it's in. I need a tuna fish. I love these beans. They dry. pigeon peas, like Jamaican gungo peas. Them nice when you don't have time, and it tastes just as good as the real deal. Mm, The main thing I came in here for, a new tripod. Jeez, I knew a new tripod because I'm walking with this thing, holding in my hand, and it's got me verklempt. Who likes these things? I mean, I taste them. They're so nasty. They're spicy and sour, spicy and tangy, but yet people love them. Tacky, yuck. Let's see what they have. Bold and savory peanut. What's on the peanut? I need the lightly salted ones. Some are sweet and spicy, bold and savory. You don't want none of them foolishness there. Salted. I need lightly salted, sweet and spicy. I have to watch my hypertension. I don't see the lightly salted ones. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned. I got one of these already. GoPro is next for me. Here are 9, 10, and 11. I'm still doing some research on those bad boys before I buy them or before I buy one. Alright, I forgot which tripod I saw, but I definitely need a tripod. That's a nice price, 55 inch, 4K. It's not bad. That one is 198. That's a 50 inch Roku Smart TV. TV prices are not bad these days. Really not. All right, let's check out the tripods. I've used On Brand before. I don't need a selfie stick. I need a real tripod. This is 25 bucks. That's the On Brand, 24.98. The one I looked at wasn't that expensive. Let me see if I could get some help on that. These are all audio. Let me ask the nice lady here. Hello. Um, is that the only place you have tripods? The On brands that
Yes.
are over here?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I saw something on the website.
I got one over here.
Oh, okay, so let me go around. I have my cart here. I'll check it out.
Yeah.
Thank you. She say here? Is it over here? Is it over here? Or the next aisle? I think she said here. Look over there. Okay.
Thank you.
Go on. She told me there are other tripods over here, tripods, other than what's against the wall. Am I in the correct aisle? Is it this aisle you said?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, thank you.
Right there.
Ah, okay.
That's the only other one we have.
Those are extendable. Oh, which one?
The blue one right there. It goes 26 plus inches.
Am I not looking at? Oh, it's right there.
The 688.
Yeah. How tall is that? Can I see? I'm looking for one that extends.
I don't think 26 is that high.
Right.
Yeah, so there's only 26.
Yeah, that's a little short. Yeah, but judging from the size of the box, also.
They have
All right.
one that I just put out on the bottom shelf. It was the big boxes.
Okay,
Those might be the tallest ones we have.
All right, I'm gonna check those out again. Thank you. She came to get tripods also. Hot commodity today, huh? All right, so let me move on over here because she says they're all here. It's the same aisle. Same aisle. So, because this is a selfie stick. This is not really a tripod. Monopod with smart mount, smartphone mount. DSLR, smartphones, GoPro. Yeah, this is not what I had in mind. I know that I want. Man, I guess I'm better off ordering online. Amazon. I just figure I'll get it while I'm in here. Yeah. Yeah, this is like they don't have much. I was gonna order online. This is like 24, 67 inches. Yeah, and I saw one on their website. Definitely not this. Oh, they don't have much to choose from. I have a couple of the standing ones already. Yeah. So my best bet is Amazon. I was thinking the same thing, like, yeah. I just figure I'll just check it out while I'm here. Huh? I'm on YouTube, yeah. 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 Check out Muda Production. Check out Muda, Muda. Muda Production. You got it, you on YouTube as well? Okay. What you got a name yet for your channel? Not yet. If you did, I would subscribe to you. But Muda, and you see the Jamaican flag. All right. Take care, darling. All right. Yeah, but nothing much to choose from in that department. I'm sweating. It's like a workout. I should have put my Fitbit on to track my steps and calories burned. But I think that's it for me, man. I said that the last, for I've been saying that for the past 5 minutes, and I still see other things that I want to check out, but I'm gonna leave that for another time. Look, I'm even sweating. Jeez, I didn't get my tripod. What they had was ridiculously expensive. It wasn't ridiculously expensive, but in terms of the features, it didn't have any fancy features, so it wasn't really worth it. So yeah, I didn't get that. But don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Like the videos. You watch the video, thumbs it up. I forget sometimes I watch other people's videos. I forget to thumbs it up. I go back and give them the thumbs up. If you enjoy it, if you even watch 5 minutes of it, give it a thumbs up, no? I came out just for a couple of items, a few items, like I said, and I just decided to take you guys along with me. So, thumbs up the video, now, man. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. You're missing out on a whole heap. Like I said, I'm Muda Production for a reason. I don't just cook, it's everything. I take you places with me, and you get to see and interact. Leave comments, man. I'm always happy when I see a comment because I know you guys will definitely keep it clean. But leave comments. Leave a comment and like up the video and subscribe. You see me? Yeah, man. All right, so I'm gonna check out, and I mean it this time. I'm gonna check out, even though I'm here looking at watches. Oh my God. Whew. I'm looking at jewelry, people. Tag. I like that snake, that black snake necklace thing. Are these for guys or girls? Oh, that's a Shaquille O'Neal. They're men's stuff. Shaquille O'Neal stuff. And all kind of stuff. All right, I'm a curtail myself. Let me look for a shorter line. That's not too crazy. I think it's up front. And check out. Line them long to their Saturday. You would expect that. The line can be long, but they might have less items. That's the trick, you see me? So I'm gonna stay on this line. Check my goodies out and use the restroom before I get out of here. Oh, you know what? Let me check back with the I totally forgot. Let me check back with the hot plate. Uh, the food court, because I'm just not going home to do any type of cooking. So I seriously just want to get something I could eat. Just warm up and eat. I'm tired of eating ramen noodles. So yeah. That's the self checkout. I'm tired of eating ramen noodles, people. So I have to decide on something from the food court right here. I don't want no cold cut sandwich either. So yeah, I have to get something. So I have to figure out something. Yo, I'm tired now. I'm tired. They run out of food fast. See them my fried chicken here? Ooh-wee. That's what's up. That's what's up. Finally. Yeah, y'all. 8 pieces. That's what I'm talking about. See? Patience is a virtue, not true. All right. And with that, let's see what side I'm gonna get with that. We got coleslaw, potato salad, macaroni salad. How much is the macaroni salad? $5. Do they have smaller ones? Yes, they do. All right, now it's a good look. So it's a good look, people. I'm gonna go with this. This is not a bad size either. Macaroni salad, deviled egg. What that mean? What in the world does that mean? I want to make sure I'm buying the right thing. No, it's not the right thing. That's deviled eggs. Cause see another macaroni salad here, and it don't look the same. Everybody I take from the back, like I always do, and that's $3.97. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Perfect. Perfecto. Wait for my ride. Thanks for joining me, y'all.